Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes. Students, in class 7, you have learnt about planes, shapes and solid shapes. First we'll recall them. Plane shapes. Plane shapes are those shapes that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurement, length and breadth. So it is known as two-dimensional or 2D shapes. For example, this is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. Now we will come to the next point, that is solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. It is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Now we can do some example here. For example, it is cuboid, it is cube, and you can draw cylinder also. Cylinder is a solid shape. So these are all or solid shapes. Now next point, view of 3D shapes. 3D shapes or objects look differently from different points, positions. So they can be drawn from different perspectives. These can be viewed from front, side and top. For example, if we take this shape here, suppose the shape is a hut. Is a hut. Now, if we draw this, this will be the front view. Now, if you draw like this, this is a side view. And if you draw like this, you see this will be the top view. So the hut is this shape, but if you see it from the different views, it is front view will like this, side view and top view. Now similarly we can take one more example. Suppose that is a brick. You say if you take one brick here, this is a brick. If you see, you take a brick here. Now for this brick, if you see the front part, so you'll see just only this part. This is the front view of the brick. Front view. If you draw like this is the side view. And if you see from the top, you will the top view. So this is about the brick. Now similarly, we can say take some cube also. For example, if you take 3 cubes, so 3 cubes will be like this. 3 cubes. So if you take 3 cubes, 1 cube is here. This is a 1 cube. And 1 more cube can draw here. So this is like this. So we have taken 3 cubes here. So it is a solid of 3 cubes. Solid of 3 cubes. Now if you see the front part, so front part you will get here. This is the front part of this. Front view. And if you see from the side, you will see this side view. And if you see from the top, there is a top view. Now student, after that we will take next point, that is mapping space around us. Students, you are very much familiar with maps. In social science we deal with maps like map of India, map of Asia, map of America, world map, etc. In these maps we can locate some particular places, states, river, mountains, etc. and so on. So some major features of drawing and reading maps. First is, a map depicts the location of a particular object or place in relation to other object or place. For example, suppose it is this is my house. And road is like this is a road. If you move like that, this is my sister's school, and this is my school. So student, you see, so the location of my house, my sister's school, my school, these can be shown by this map. So this map shows the location and they are respective of each other. Now second point we will discuss here. Symbols are used to depict the different objects or place in map. Third, we use a scale in map which is fixed for a particular map. Fourth point, for a map, direction used are as follows. We have to show the direction. For direction is always like this. This is north. This shows east. This is south. And this is west. So students, with this topic I am ending the video here. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.